Hello, fellow bubblers. I'm thrilled to welcome you to the very first episode of our Share and Care series. Today, I'll be guiding you through the crucial view and edit permissions on bubble.io, which can play a key role in managing the security and accessibility of your app. Without further ado, let's dive right in. If you go to settings and then the general tab, we can see application rights, define who can see and modify the app. By default, this will be set to private app, which means I, the owner, have the right to edit and maneuver through the app, a crucial measure to maintain control over your project's integrity. We have two other options. One is everyone can view and everyone can edit. Let's see what this means. So when I set this as everyone can view, anyone who has the link of the app will be able to view the app. It will be in read only mode. This setting is a boon for plugin developers, allowing us to demonstrate how to use plugins without worrying about unintended changes or alterations to the app's action. So when I go to the design tab, share the link of the app with anyone, they'll be able to view the application. They can see the design, they can see the workflow, they can see the data, and they can see some of the settings. I've just copied the link. I'm going to incognito mode and pasting this. As you can see, I've come to the settings tab because I copied the link of the settings tab. I cannot even see the app settings that we just changed. But heading back to design, I can see the elements that we had added. I can also see the workflow. I can see any data that has been added, and I can see the styles, plugins, and everything, but I cannot change anything. So let me just try to change it. It'll give me a warning saying you are viewing this app in read-only mode. You cannot modify it. Changes will not be saved. Next up, we have everyone can edit. Though it might seem conducive to collaborative work, it carries significant risks as anyone with the link can edit the app, potentially leading to unwanted modifications. What I mean by that is now when I go to the incognito mode and open this, I not only can view the data, I can also change anything. I can remove this, it'll get saved. I can go to the workflow, delete this, it'll get saved. Let me come back to my account here and show you. You can see the text is gone, the workflow is also gone. Now we have an option here which says limit access to this app in run mode with a username and password. It might appear to be a protective measure, but it only restricts who can run the app, not who can edit it. Let me demonstrate what this entails. So when I give this username and the password, it can be anything. The user with the link of the app will still be able to edit anything without needing to know what is the username and password. So when I again go to the incognito mode, I'll still be able to change anything. I can delete this. It gets saved. So what does this limit access to this app in run mode with a username and password mean? And where is it helpful? It only means that the user will be able to run the app with the username and password. So when I click on preview, this is when it will ask me the username and password, and the user will be able to run it only if they know the username and password. So now when I give the username and the password, it will allow me to run this. Since we do not have anything on the page, it doesn't show us anything, but let me just go back and now run this. As demonstrated, this setting isn't a foolproof security measure and should be used judiciously. If you want to collaborate with others, you'll have to go to collaboration tab, and here you will be able to add other users. We will cover that in some future episodes. I hope today's session has clarified the nuances of application rights on Bubble. Remember, a little understanding goes a long way in preventing potential mishaps. Stay tuned for more insights in our Share and Care series. Until next time, happy no coding. Remember to join our community and subscribe to our newsletter for more insights and updates on no code. The links are available in the description below. And hey, if you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, comment, and share with fellow bubblers. Take care and see you in the next one.